All right, what's up, everybody? It's Urban Trades here with another day trading recap. Woke up pretty early this morning. I got up at 5 a.m. to take a look at the market. Basically, sat in my chair, drew a trend line, and I was looking at just like past levels, kind of charting out my day. So this is trade of eights. Once we had our trend line in, I pretty much took a stab here. Wanted this to push above. We were up only like 3 points, and I really wanted it to keep pushing above the 35s, and then possibly I'll show you on another chart like a point of interest that I had, which we ended up hitting after CPI data came out today. I believe that's what it was. It's only 9:13 a.m. I'm already done for the day, made my money and left. But as you can see, we had a couple losses. I also had a loss here. I closed for basically a break-even trade, and after that, I went back to bed. On the 50K account that I have, we managed to make $635 with one push up here. This was a little bit different. I basically had a zone. I had this zone, and once we dropped into the zone, I bought, and those were the lines. I posted a what are these called? One of those, just like a risk and reward thing, and I shared it in a chat that I'm in. But anyways, we went long here, and then we got out in three different spots. This one I kind of wanted to hold, but I guess thankfully I didn't. I didn't realize CPI data was coming out today. I'm gonna have to double check, make sure that is what it was. But yeah, so we had the news candle come out, went up, and then we came back down, and we just chopped, and so. Anyways, yeah, let's bring up Trade of 8 again. So this account was already down, and I decided to take a couple more trades with the 150K, and I shouldn't have been trading the news because it's awful, but I basically wanted to go long here, got stopped out for a quick loss, and then here I wanted to go short back down, and this was over trading and not good trading. I mean, the news just came out. I should have let it chopped around for another couple minutes like I kind of did up here, but anyways, we went long again, jumped in with our 5 contracts. We had a 5 point stop, and then this one didn't even come back down at all. Um, but it was just a slow grind up, and this one I actually wanted to hold for little bit longer. But basically, what I was looking at was a point of interest that I drew out. It's not even the right one. So this white line up here was just like a previous high, and I labeled that a point of interest. And that's basically where I wanted to push to, and we ended up going over that. So, like I said, we got long, I think, in this candle, maybe this candle. So basically the break of the news candle, or the daily high. And once we got long, like I said, we weren't in drawdown, I don't think, ever. We just kind of just shot straight up. But this is the candle we got filled on everything on. So I had like some buy orders, or I guess sell limits that were up here. And I must have put one at the 82s because that's the one where I wanted to just keep holding. And this actually went up to the 7.3. So that would have been like, oh no, I guess we got it long down here, I think. I'll have to look again. But yeah, so it had this trend line. I was comfortable taking this trade, so I went in with it. I risked 1,000 to make back. I think it was about $1,700 on this trade, um, which is pretty good because like I said, I was down on the day, and now we are up $206 on the day. So I'm just gonna call it after coming back from a decent size loss. I think I was down about 1,500 at one point, which I should have stopped trading, but since we had a good setup, I decided to take it. Ended up making everything back, plus an extra couple $100. So um, yeah, and then the take profit one, we are funded. Well, we have the profit goal hit already, We just need to trade, I guess today. Today is our last day of trading with that one, and then I should get an email tonight or tomorrow about paying the activation fee, and we are funded with them. So that's going to be a battle to pass the intraday daily drawdown. It's only $2,000, so I'm going to have to scale back and take, one mini, which I don't like doing. I like to see, big green and short moves, but oh well, I guess we're going to have to adjust to that, especially since their payout rules are daily once we are above the daily drawdown. So hopefully we can do good on that account. I'm excited to work with them. If you want to check them out, I think they're still running 50% off. There's a link in the description below. And if you click on that link and buy an account, that'll support this channel so I can keep upgrading my equipment. I already got a light, I got a camera, I got the mic. Maybe I'll invest into a new desk or a new monitor or something like that, or maybe some editing skills. But yeah, anyways, it's a pretty solid day. Like I said, up $800. I did request a payout Friday night when the dashboard updated and everything. Had a little bit of an issue with the verification thing. I actually had to reach out to support, and thankfully they were able to check in on that for me, and they got back really quick. I got like 3 different emails from them, and I only submitted one, so it was pretty cool to get their help. I ended up requesting, so I did request the first time I did it before the verification thing. I requested $2,000 or $2,025, and after the verification thing, I had to resubmit it. And I was like, you know what? I think I'm just going to do the full amount. Like I said, I'm expecting this one to be denied. It's under review right now. I believe their payout process, like the status is pending, under review, and then paid or denied. So hopefully this one is approved, but I'm expecting it to be denied. So, and we have plenty of drawdown. We got $12,604 of drawdown in that account. So we were definitely okay with taking the full amount there, but for 2025 I want to do the $2,025. So, but yeah, check out Apex. They are also running 50% off, and their activation fees are really low. It's only $85 for a lifetime. So you pay one activation fee, which is $85, and you can have that account for as long as you don't blow it. So yeah, but anyways, thanks for watching. I will update tomorrow. I'll do a full video on the PA account payment, I guess the approval and everything. We also have, I guess, one last thing. So that $50K they gave back to us, it's at 6 days. So Wednesday, I'm hoping to take a payout. I'd really like to get this one to like 5,100 before I take a payout, just so I have a little bit extra room of drawdown. So that'll be interesting to see if I can get there. It's already at 50. It's at 53,000. So we got to make 2,000 Tuesday and Wednesday. So 1,000 a day. I think I can do it, hopefully. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Comment how your trading week started off. I probably won't post this till like 12 or something like that. So market is closing at 1. So if I do post it before, make sure you're out of those trades by 1 p.m. So Martin Luther King Day. Yeah, thank you.